All right, we're back with another hack. Now, what we're about to do is do a Autel smart key for a 2016 Nissan Sentra. Now, this is just a step-by-step if you use the Autel. So first you go ahead and find Nissan, then you go to Sentra, and then you find the frequency of the year that you're going for. Now, we're going for a 2016, so the 2013 to 2019 is going to work perfect. Now, if you're looking at the screen carefully, you're going to see it says Mexico. I did not realize that until the end, so I had to redo the whole thing over, but it still works none the same. Okay, so now you just program the key successfully. Go to the car, plug in your OBD. I use the Autel programmer as well. So this is just a full Autel video. All right, now we go to automatic selection after you hit Nissan. Make sure that your blinkers are on. Hit the brake a few times just to wake the vehicle up, so that the car can get red. And now we're going ahead and scan it. And boom, we have the vehicle's information. Okay, now go to emo scan. All right, and after you hit emo scan and the car gets red, you want to go to add a key. Okay, now with the Autel, it was a very simple step-by-step instructions. It's very simple. If you have an Autel, this will be easy for you. Just hit start and just follow along. Now remember, when you're doing the Nissan, all keys do get erased. So if you have any other keys, you need to program them all at the same time. Now, this is a very simple process. Like I mentioned before, Autel does a step-by-step process for you anyway. So first you got to make sure the blinkers are on. Wake the vehicle up, make sure that the car can get red. Now, what you want to do is hold down the start button for about 2 seconds, see the dash light up. Hit OK. Now next, the step-by-step process is very simple. You just go along, turn off the ignition. Press the start button with the key. Now, once you do this, the dash is going to light up again. If it doesn't light up, then you probably have a fuse problem, which is common. But luckily, it lit up, so we're good. So we're going ahead and hit yes. Now, the key is programmed, but you're not done, okay? You got to finish the program. Turn it off. Now, it's going to tell you to push the start button with the key again. Everything lights up. Beautiful. It's still not programmed 100%. Keep going. Okay, now turn off the ignition. Now you got to wait about 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Perfect. Now hit OK. Key is programmed. Successful. Now all you got to do is close the door, check the lock and unlock. Boom, you're back in there. See if the car turns on. Easy money. Like and subscribe.